You know the nature of time within yourself. You see how often you are rushing inwardly in your mind with the feeling of trying to achieve something. You know that endless movement of being caught in time. Also in the other side of it, delaying, avoiding. And if you stop to question how it affects you, the life within the notion of time, you see that as long as that movement is there, you can never touch peace inwardly. Challenging this observation, or using this observation to challenge the notion of time, is the freeing factor. But don't stop in that. Question who or what is questioning the notion of time. And you will see that as long as there is a reason or a goal, aim, it's time questioning itself, which is meaningless in terms of trying to remove the foundation, the ground on which time is flourishing and peace is destroyed. Whether you go that far in your observation is totally up to you. But surely, without a doubt, if there will be an observation, an inquiry, a question of time, not by time, not for a reason, not driven by a cause, by objective, by trying to find out, beauty will be the eyes that are watching. Beauty, not the aesthetic beauty of the objects, but the quality of observation, not in time, is not only the essence of beauty, but the endless nature of it. There is limit and, in terms of potential, when there is an envelope of time that set boundaries to the inquiry. But when the inquiry is free from time, it meets the endless nature of reasonless beauty in itself, as itself. The very questioning is that beauty. And then there is no longer need for you to do anything. It's actually more than that. There is no question of need anymore. There is reality of freedom meeting itself, manifesting in itself. And that is real, untouched by time, by reason.